Hi, I'm Ron, here with my wife Juen to show you lightly fried fish. This is the tilapia fish. It's already been scaled. And now Juen is slicing it to allow penetration of the juices and the sauce.
This is mixture. I'm making the mixtures include ginger, green onion, salt, chili, and cooking wine.
Okay, and now she's going to massage the fish inside and out.
The ingredient is very simple, right? Don't need to put a lot of ingredient because the fish have a lot of flavor. Don't cover this fish flavor.
Now you set it aside for a while?
Yeah, at least 30 minutes.
Okay.
This is the lightly.
A little bit of vegetable oil.
Yeah.
And butter.
Yeah. What I'm showing people is not this deep fried fish. Why? Do you know why?
Well, the deep frying tends to dry out the fish. You lose the moisture in the inside.
Exactly. And healthier, right?
Oh, yes, healthier.
So lightly fry until this skin.
Get a nice brown coloring.
Yeah. After maybe 10 minutes, put the rest, the left of
Ingredients, the mixture.
mixture. Yes.
Now we're adding sugar
Yes.
and oyster sauce.
Yes.
Makes my mouth water.
Yeah, boiled
We added some water.
20 minutes like that. This is fish husband and fish wife. We are eating them.
We like
We love fish.
and
We even choose fish for our second.
anniversary.
Yes.
Here's the wife, husband, and wife going out together. They had a good life. Now they're providing an awesome meal for us.
The left mixture, we add the water and the corn starch. And put on the fish like a sauce.
Yeah. Beautiful. The tilapia fish has got beautiful white, firm flesh with some bones, but they're big and they're easy to pick out. Very good tasting.
I'm Jen Kelsey.
And I'm Ron Kelsey.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
我今天晚上介绍的是如何用特殊的材料做一
Tamarind.